Hello everyone, this is Yamini Sharma. Welcome to Eastway Buildwell. Today I will be telling you all about a project which is located in sector 63A of Gurgaon. The project's name is The Estate Residences. It is brought to you by Anantraj Group, who themselves are a very well-known name of real estate market. They've been into this business since 1969. They have about 200 acres of township across Delhi NCR, and they are a NSE listed brand. Talking about this project by Anantraj Group, it is going to be a high-rise project wherein you are getting unhindered Aravali views, and this project is going to be in luxurious segment. Stay tuned until the last of this video. I'll be giving you all the details about it. Connectivity plays a vital role whenever we plan on investing in a property. Talking about the connectivity of this project, it gives you access to a 24-meter wide road and unhindered views to Aravalis. If I talk about its connectivity from other locations in Gurgaon, then you can connect to SPR in just 10 minutes from this location. You can connect to Cyber City in just 15 minutes from this location. Talking about Golf Course Road or Golf Course Extension Road, you can access to both of them in just 5 minutes. Along with that, if you would like to go to IGI Airport, then you can reach to IGI Airport in just 30 minutes from this location. The major metro station which is close by, Rapid Metro, sector 55-56 is just 7 to 8 minutes away from this location. You can get many options for shopping, for recreation along by to this location. Also, hospitals like Artemis and Medanta are in close proximity from this location. So connectivity is not going to be a problem at all from this particular project. Come with me, I will get you all the details about this project, be it the configuration, the sizes of the apartment, and also the amenities that you are going to get in this project. The whole project is spread across 5.5 acres of land parcel, wherein about 70% of area is going to be green, lush green spaces are going to be there, and about 30% of area is going to have residential spaces. Here you are going to get 4 BHK apartments with servant area in 3 variations. The variations are going to be like, the first one is 3710 square feet, the second one is going to be 3763 square feet, and the third one is going to be 4781 square feet. If I tell you about the parking that you are going to get, then about 750 parking slots are going to be here. Along with that, if I tell you about the towers, they're going to be 4 towers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tower number 1 and 3 are going to have 30 floors. Tower number 2 and 4 are going to have 32 floors. The apartments are going to be 2 to a core. Along with that, if I tell you about the amenities that you are going to get here, as you can see here in the tower number 1, you are going to get a very huge clubhouse area which is about 40,000 square feet. The clubhouse area is going to be in the tower number 1 of the whole project, wherein you are getting world-class amenities here, be it a gymnasium, be it sauna, spa, be it a mini theater, indoor or outdoor games for your children, a meditation room, you just name it. You are going to have world-class amenities here in this project. Also, you are going to get an unhindered view of Aravalis, as you can see through this model, wherein you can see the views of Aravalis, majestic Aravalis through the apartments that this project is offering you is just so blissful. तो अगर आप भी प्लान कर रहे हैं एक ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए जो आपको सूटेबल हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ कनेक्टिविटी, जिसकी कनेक्टिविटी अमेजिंग हो टू अदर लोकेशंस ऑफ गुड़गांव, साथ ही साथ इन 4 BHK अपार्टमेंट से आपको व्यूज़ आने वाले हैं मजेस्टिक अरावली हिल्स के, तो यहाँ के क्लब हाउस में जो अमेनिटीज़ होने वाली हैं वो भी टॉप नॉच और वर्ल्ड क्लास होने वाली हैं. सारी ही कंप्लीट पैकेज एक तरीके से आपको इस प्रॉपर्टी में मिल रहा है. तो अगर आप भी इंटरेस्टेड हैं अनंतराज द एस्टेट रेसिडेंसेस के इस प्रोजेक्ट में तो देर मत कीजिए। फर्दर डिटेल्स के लिए मुझे बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में। साथ ही साथ थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग विद मी इन दिस वीडियो। लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज हैं रियल एस्टेट मार्केट से रिलेटेड अक्रॉस दिल्ली, एनसीआर एंड गुड़गांव, आप मुझे बता दीजिए। मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगी कि एक नया वीडियो आपके लिए ज़रूर लेकर आऊँ।